to my channel. In today's video we are going to do a yarn haul from Premier Yarns. I mainly either work with worsted weight yarn, which my preferred brand is Craft Smart from Michaels, or the only super bulky yarn I've been using is Bernat Blanket and Bernat Baby Blanket, but the color selection can be limited. I've literally had to order my green off of Amazon and like way overpay for it, so I'm trying to expand my horizons on super bulky yarn. So it seems like everybody is using either Parfait Chunky or Sweet Snuggles, and then I've heard from some people that Sweet Snuggles splits a lot, so I thought I'd try Parfait Chunky. So I want to show you the colors I got today and I'll let you know what I think. It was stuck. This is color Fog. It already looks a lot thinner than Bernat Blanket yarn, but it's really soft. It kind of seems velvety. I got my oldest child, my daughter, helping hand me things today, Janessa. This is color Azure. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it's pretty. I like this one. This one is color Chocolate. I've been looking for like a nice like dark brown, and the darkest brown that I found in Bernat is, I think, Taupe. And it's like a nice medium brown, but it's not super dark. So this one's quite a bit darker. And then the darkest brown I got, I think this one was called Espresso. Yeah, Espresso. It's like almost black. It's dark, that dark of a brown. I think I'm going to use this for like a cookie, because like these could be chocolate chips. And this one is Bubblegum. A nice pretty bright pink. In this package we have Eggplant. Oh, that's fitting.
It kind of does look like an eggplant color.
That's really soft. This color is, where the heck is it? Mint? I don't know, man. Mint always seems to kind of have like a smidge of bluish. I mean, I guess this is looking just really light green on camera, but I almost feel like it's a light teal in person. I don't know.
See a little bit.
It seems like it's got some bluish in it. Okay, give me the next one.
Okay. I don't know why, but these are like 3 package, 1 package, and they're not even in at all.
Well, I got doubles of some of them. There was not a lot of rhyme or reason to my order, but I did get 2 of some of them. A lot of the blues I only got 1 of, because blue seems to be like the most carried color by everybody, so you could get like every shade of blue imaginable. So this one's just called Blue. This one looks like another bubble gum. Is that my 3rd bubble gum, or is this my 2nd?
Oh, that's your 2nd.
Oh. I can't believe how thin it is, though, for a freaking super bulky.
Yeah, I was thinking that when you said super bulky. Either you're gonna get your yarn mixed up, or they're just sending not what we're having.
My favorite color. This one is called Mustard. Well, that's fitting, if you can't tell.
She likes yellow. Apparently a lot's pink. A little bigger than the color of yellow. This is my favorite package of all.
Ooh, it's so pretty.
I like the name, which seem to have like no
Boon. Coral. Mango. Looks an awful lot like coral.
Where's the colors?
This one is Peach. Peach is like a light coral.
Yeah, peach is peach.
Yeah, I guess mango's a little darker and a little more orange. Yeah, I guess it looks really different on camera. In person, they don't look that different.
And it looks like.
But they're all so pretty.
Oh, I can see a little bit because that's like more orange. And
It looks like very orange.
Yeah, like on camera, that's orange. Like literally.
Nutso. Give me more. A crochet artist knows its favorite hobby is not to crochet, but to collect yarn. These are color Rain. I think I got these because it looked gray on the website, but it's actually looking a little greenish. But that's okay.
Yeah, it's like a
Oh, bluish greenish?
pale,
I don't know. I like it.
It's not pale like green. You can use it for like if you're doing emojis, you could use it for
Turquoise. Also very pretty.
Half these bags are like either broken open or they just come open.
I'm glad I ended up getting black and yellow because that's something I have a decent amount of in Bernat blanket, but I don't think I'm going to be able to use both of these together in the same project because the weight is like that much different.
Now I'm going to go get like a flippy yarn.
No, I got that one right there. I could show them at the end.
Okay.
We could get some B-roll with that. That's fine. I guess on camera they look just about the same amount of thickness, but this just feels a lot thicker than the Parfait Chunky. So it's feeling like quite thin. I don't know how to describe it, but on camera they do actually look almost the same. I guess I'll have to do a pattern with both of them, the same pattern, and see how like they work up, if there is like that big of a difference in size of the finished product, because I think there will be.
Ooh, that one's cool.
Okay, we got color Mushroom. It's kind of like a light grayish, I guess grayish would be like a better term, because it's got like a hint of like beige to it too. Then we've got color Dusty Mauve, and I got two of these.
Dusty Mauve?
Mauve.
Oh, Dusty Mauve, that's what I heard.
I've been having issues finding like a pretty light purple. I've got the Baby Lilac, which is a nice light purple, but this is like a little more muted. I think it's pretty.
Are those the same colors?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you said those were two different colors. I'm like, you're going to point out difference on something that's kind of different, but then you're going to point out no difference on the things that look exactly the same. But it was not.
This is color Seal, fitting, because it's a nice gray.
And she needs to make a seal.
I made a manatee. It's got a seal modification for it, but the seal that I was going to make was going to be white, like a, what are they, like a snow seal? Baby seal? I don't know. A white seal.
Hold on, let me think of what it's called.
I don't know. We'll move on. This is color Iris. It's kind of eggplanty, but like a little bit brighter. Like a grape purple. This is color Tangerine. Also was looking for like a muted orange because it seems like the only orange in Bernat is from their Brights, which is like a really like aggressive orange. Okay, we're going to be making a sample of that one now. But this one's just a little bit lighter, a little bit, I don't want to say pastel because it's a lot brighter than a pastel, but it's softer. Okay, our next colors are the same. I can't get it down. This is color Seaside. I don't know why I got two of these. I think that might have been on accident. Are these both the same? Okay, yeah. Two Seasides. Not sure why. Sometimes when you order a yarn, you just like black out and put a bunch in your cart. I also got two sea glasses. You want Glycerina? Okay. We'll get you one in just a second. This is color Cloudy Day. It's a lighter gray. We're gonna move this along. The middle child just got up and he demands snacks immediately. Sea glass. Oh, they kind of look different. Oh, weird.
What?
These are the exact same color, but I feel like this one is looking a little more blue, and this one's like more, I don't know, teal.
I can see it.
Or maybe I'm just crazy. But they look a little bit different.
I see it.
But they're the same color.
Maybe just because of the lighting.
In person, they look the same. How odd.
Look at your pyramid.
Come here, Mom.
Beautiful.
I was probably most excited about this color. It's called Bright Pink. I have no idea what I'm going to use it for, but isn't she pretty? Cute. The next color is another mushroom. I don't know why those were packed in separate bags.
I don't know.
And the next color is a light blue, which I feel like the burnout blanket, light blue, the baby blanket, baby blue, I think it's called, is like the same color as this. Light blues are nice. They're pretty. You could use them for whales, sharks, all kinds of things.
Okay. There you go. That basically.
This is color lilac. It actually looks a lot like the baby lilac. This one might be a smidge lighter than that.
Did you just have two that were named lilac?
Yeah, these are lilac. The other ones were dusty mauve. This is color lagoon. I actually now seeing this. I actually now seeing this wish I would have gotten two of these instead of two of the like random other blue that I got, because I don't have this color and I have a lot of blues. Thank you, buddy. He brought me a Red Bull. Not sponsored. Thank you. It's so sweet. Can I have a kiss? Good morning. Come on, have a kiss. Good morning. No, good morning. Kiss for mom. Oh. Good morning. Good morning. And then our last color is key lime. Are you okay, Jada? Oh my goodness, these kids. We gotta wrap this up. Last color, key lime. Got two of them. Good frog color, nice bright green. It's pretty close to this color, which is lemon lime, I think, from Bernat. And I think it's baby blanket. But what's always bothered me about this one is it's like definitely a yellow green, whereas this is just as light, but I feel like is actually green. Yeah, so that completes today's unboxing video. Perhaps I'll do a review about what I think of it and how it works out, because you guys know with these yarns, they can shed a lot. Sometimes they're like very, very fragile, which is what I've heard about the Sweet Snuggles. So you almost can't sew like anything because you'll like rip your yarn. And then at this point, I do want to do a side-by-side comparison, make something with the Parfait Chunky, make something with the Bernat Blanket, and see if there's a big size difference in the finished product, because I feel like there will be. On camera, side by side, they looked about the same amount of thickness, but this just feels a lot thinner. But yeah, I guess we'll find out. And anyway, thank you for watching. If you too are a yarnaholic, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and like this video and comment below your favorite brand of chunky yarn so I can try it and maybe get away from the Bernat blanket a little bit and expand my horizons. Thank you for watching.